Firebase Database tutorial. So guys, I'll show you a fast and easy method. Let's get started. First, search for Firebase on Google. Open the Firebase website. In Firebase, scroll down and click on the View All Build Products option. Now from here, find the Cloud Storage option and open it. Then click on Get Started. Now press the button where it says Get Started. From here, enter your project name. After entering the name, accept the permissions, and then continue. Now you might see some more details, so just keep clicking continue. Then your project will start getting created. After the project is created, continue. Now go to the Database and Storage option from the left side. From here, click on the Realtime Database option. Then click on the Create Database button. Now select your database location from here. Then click Next at the bottom. Now here, make sure Start in Locked Mode is enabled. Then click on Enable from the bottom. Now go to the Rules tab at the top. Here, change False to True in front of Right. Then publish it. Now again, go to Database and Storage and select Firebase. Then press the Create Database button. Now select Standard Edition from here and click Next. Then on this page, select the same database location you picked earlier. Then click Next. Now choose Start in Production Mode from here. Then press the Create button. After it's created, go to the Rules tab. Now here you'll need to do a little coding. Don't worry, it's very easy. Start typing exactly from here, and whatever I type you should type the same way too. Then press Publish. After that, go to the Project Overview option. Then from here, open Web. Now type your web app name here, the same one you chose earlier. Allow the permissions and tap on Register App. After registering, select the Use Script option from here. Then scroll down a little and start selecting exactly from here. Now paste this code into your project. Still got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.